Hi guys, it's Mary. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing Fritzy Flashback Favorites from July 2017 in July 2018. Yay! The crowd roars. The first thing on that list was the Game On threader earrings. So I don't know if I had on the pro balls or the college balls, but these are the pro balls and they're the bigger ones. The college balls, those are smaller. Okay, so these are the big ones. These are the pro balls. And let me see if I can just rip that out of my ear and show it to you. Anyway, these were named for my friend Kristen Game. Yes, they are still available in my store if you would like to get them for a short time. I don't know. Right now I'm kind of tinkering around with letting the store go because it just doesn't do very much business and, you know, whatever. Oh, and for the Fritzy family member who wanted to know, Mary, do you ever wear silver jewelry? There you go. That's for you. The next thing on that list were these. And I just talked about these in an empties video. I was comparing ones that weren't these to these. These are lens wipes. They clean your glasses. In fact, I need to do that right now because I've got hairspray all over the front of my glasses. And but so these aren't too wet. They're just wet enough to clean these really well, and they dry very quickly. See, a lot of them, they don't. They like leave spots all over your glasses, but these don't. These clean your glasses perfectly, and I love them. Next on the list were these soft picks to like get the gunk out from between your teeth by the brand Gum. And I liked them because they were curved, and actually, no, I stopped using those for some reason. I ran out, and then when we were at the Dollar Tree, I picked up these because I think I heard about them from my friend Elle from Elle is for Living. And you can get a whole pack of 60 for $1, and I just started using these instead of, but I do still like those gum ones, and I guess if I ever run into them again, I'll get them. But these are nice because they have this end that makes it really easy to get between your teeth. Those are what I'm using now, but I absolutely wouldn't hesitate to get the Gum brand again. Alterna's Caviar Anti-Aging Thick and Full Volume Mousse. Yes, of course, this stuff is great. And it's for fine hair, it says on here, but I don't know. I'll tell you what though, I don't use the mousse as much as I use the thickening spray, but some days I use both. But I do still like this, and I probably am not going to ever be without this. These kinds of products last me for a very long time because I don't often go out in my own hair. This is a wig. And I love my wigs far more than I do doing my own hair. Yes, I do still like the Caviar Thick and Volume Mousse, very much so. And when I am on the rare occasion that I decide I want to mess with my own dang hair, I use this. Next is the Lorac Matte Pro. It's the perfect neutral palette. I love this palette because it's Lorac. That means good formulation. I love it because it's small. It's so easy just sitting in my hand and going and doing my eyes. I love it because the colors give me a look that's like one and done, or just a couple of things and I'm out the door. This is a no-brainer. It doesn't cost very much, and gosh darn, who couldn't use this? Last year at this time, Lorac was a big thing for me. I went on a Lorac spree with Kristen Game by my side. She come to Indianapolis and we had dinner, we did a live stream. We had a lot of fun together. We went shopping and I picked up Lorac. So continuing along the Lorac thing is this. I'm a double blusher. I will blush with one color and go over it with another. So the Lorac blush palettes make a lot of sense for me. Plus this one has some highlights in it. So putting this out takes care of a couple of things, and look how thin it is. These blush palettes, they have the blushes, they have the highlights, and it's all in there. So you can just, I mean, I would typically go take a brush and just hit all three of those. Or maybe my favorite blush in here is this. And you would think Lost Soul wouldn't show up, but it does. And I'm not going to spend a lot of time talking about this, even though I love it, because you flat out can't get this anymore. So why tease you with it? I think Lorac does every day really well. Then the next thing is also from the Pirates of the Caribbean collection, and it was a gift to me from Kristen, so I'm always going to have and love it. That would be the Lorac dual-ended lipstick and Dead Men Tell No Tales. And this one's in Risk It All. Now on the other side, there's a mirror. So you can actually do this on the go. This is the shade right here. Still just as creamy as it was a year ago. So naturally this is the lip color with the gloss on it, and that's just the gloss. Just gorgeous. I love it so much, and I'm sorry that you can't get it anymore. The next one you can get, okay? So that is, I love these. This is their Alter Ego Hydrating Lip Stain, and those are different because, see, they're like the square tube, and I really love it, and they have so much in them, but look how tiny they are. And I thought, first I was looking for all the products for this video and I couldn't find this, and I thought, where is this lipstick? Because I know I wouldn't have got rid of it. I love it too much. You see that black train case right there? It's a Lancome train case. It is still full of makeup that I used in the stash box a few weeks ago but didn't film because we took a vote on Instagram, remember, and decided that we wanted to do these Fritzy Flashback favorites instead of stash box reviews. So this was in there, but I was going crazy trying to figure out, what did I do with that lipstick? I love it so much. So here's the shade. It's a plummy brown, and oh my goodness, if you like neutral lips, this is gorgeous. Sticking with lipsticks, we have MAC Plum Dandy, and yes, I still have and love it. I am wearing it today. This lipstick was referred to me by one of you, and I do not regret getting this at all. She was right. It's an absolute beautiful shade, and I love it so much, Susie. Thank you so much. Then we talked about the Infallible Pro Glow Concealer. This, guys, is probably my favorite concealer. It's so lightweight, and it just, like their foundation, the Pro Glow foundation, I just find it's perfect. It's perfection. It's a light concealer and very hydrating, so I never look bad in this. If you have a problem with fine lines and wrinkles, I encourage you to try the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow Concealer. I think it's the perfect formulation of a concealer, and you can get it at the drugstore. I like to group things together, so L'Oreal Lash Paradise. Yep. You guys already know about this. I don't really even need to talk about it, but do I still love it a year later? Yes. My complaint with this mascara is going to be the same complaint I probably said last year, and that is that it just doesn't last very long. It's such a little tube with just a little bit of mascara in it, but the lash that you get with this is undeniably beautiful for the majority of people. I do know a few people who don't like it, but I love this mascara still. I just got through talking about these on the trip to see Mary Ellen. If you guys watched that vlog, I don't know if you did or not. Some people don't like vlogs, so you may not have seen it, but the story I was telling was about these. This was what I was waiting on from the Amazon lady to bring me, but the postal lady took them with her. I have the iPhone 7 Plus, and that's what these fit, but I'm sure they have them in other sizes too. But this is the brand right here, and these could not be easier. They're like $6.99 for a pack of 2. So if you're not me and dropping your phone every day, 2 of these would last you a pretty long time, I'm betting, and they're so easy to go on. They give you everything inside here. You get a lint cloth, you get the lint, it's like a tape that pulls lint off the screen. You get the tempered glass, 2 of them. You get guide tapes for 2 of them to make sure you get them on straight. You get everything you need in this box. This is actually a box, and there's 2 of everything in there. And like I said, it's only $6.99. And if you're like me and you're busting your phone case all the time, my iPhone 7 would have bit the dust by now if it hadn't been for these. Well, I still highly recommend these tempered glasses for, well, these are for iPhones, but your mobile phone. I can't believe it's been a year since I talked about these, or that we've been eating these. So I get them at Kroger. You can get them at Amazon in bulk. if you want. I'll link those if you want to try it. So many people are on keto. I'm not on the keto diet, but I do try to eat low carb, so I don't eat bread. I eat sandwiches rolled in these La Banderita tortillas in whole wheat wraps. So they only have 5 net carbs. So a lot of times I'll just, like when we have tacos even, I will make a burrito out of one of these. I eat my sandwiches in one of these. We make pizzas with these. So you put that on your pizza stone with all your pizza stuff and stick it in the oven. It gets crispy, and lots of things that you can do with this. Quay, some people say key, I don't know what's right. And I loved them with the blue tint on the front. And I will put them right over my glasses. Now, these sunglasses cost a lot more if you buy the real thing. But I got mine on Amazon and they were very cheap. So I think I paid like 11 bucks or something for these. And if you want them, I'll have them linked below. And that brings us to the end of another Flashback Fritzy Friday. Yeah. All right. If you liked that, please give me a big thumbs up. I appreciate that. If you don't know it already, please know that you are the best part of the Fritzy family. And if you would like to be part of the Fritzy family, well, guess what? It's free. That's right. Just hit the red subscription button below, make it turn gray, and then you will be. As always, if you guys aren't having a blessed day, please go out and be a blessing to somebody else. And until next time, love you, see ya, bye, and I'm out.
Hi guys, it's Mary. Welcome back to the channel. Really? What? What? Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Why are you coughing? Fritzy Flashback Favorites for July 2017 July. You don't even know what month you're in. Please don't make me watch that video. Don't torture me like that. I get enough of me during editing. These are lens cleansers. These are lens cleansers. These are cleansers. These are lens cleansers. These are lens cleansers. Oh my gosh, I'm hungry. No one cares. What am I gonna do? TikTok. How many days can we sit here looking at the palette trying to decide what we want to wear? And whenever I put this on, I always wonder why Jack Sparrow doesn't come and take me away. Okay, anyway. Sticking with lipsticks, we have Mac Plum Daddy. No. Mac Daddy.